Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2010 Lexus GX460 4.6 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light. Okay, first we're going to have to turn this ignition switch to the on position. So this is the button style. So you hit the button twice. Okay, so right now it's on the on position. So we're going to have to change this trip to trip A. So how you do it is, you see this trip button right here. You just push it until you see trip A. Okay, so that's on trip A. So now we're going to turn the ignition off. Okay, so now we're going to be holding this trip button down, and at the same time we're going to be turning this ignition system on. So hit your startup button 2 times. Okay, all set. Okay, so that's how you reset a maintenance required light. Don't forget to subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.